Welcome back to our series on Learjet systems and maintenance. In this video, we're diving into the very heart of the aircraft's propulsion, the turbojet engine. This incredible machine transforms fuel into the immense thrust that powers the Learjet through the sky. On the Learjet 25, you'll find the turbojet engines mounted in nacelles on either side of the rear fuselage. These are powerful, compact engines designed for high-speed flight. At a very basic level, a turbojet engine operates in distinct sections. The intake, or inlet, at the front where air enters. The compressor, which rapidly squeezes that air. The combustor, where fuel is mixed with compressed air and ignited. The turbine, driven by the hot expanding gases. And finally, the exhaust nozzle, where those hot gases are expelled to create thrust. The operation of a turbojet engine can be summarized by a simple four-stage process. Intake. Air is drawn into the engine through the intake. Compressor. The compressor blades rapidly spin, increasing the air's pressure and temperature. Combustor. The highly compressed air is mixed with fuel and ignited in the combustor, creating a continuous, controlled explosion. This produces hot, high-pressure gases. Turbine and exhaust. These gases expand and rush through the turbine, causing it to spin. The turbine is connected to the compressor, keeping the cycle in motion. Finally, the gases exit through the exhaust nozzle at high velocity, creating the forward force we call thrust. It's a continuous and incredibly powerful cycle, transforming the chemical energy in fuel into the kinetic energy of propulsion. The turbojet engine is undeniably the heart of the Learjet, providing the essential power for flight. Its importance is multifaceted. Its most obvious role is to generate the massive amount of thrust required to lift the aircraft, accelerate it to high speeds, and maintain altitude. Beyond thrust, the engine also powers many crucial aircraft systems. It generates bleed air for cabin pressurization and environmental control, and drives generators to produce electrical power for avionics, lights, and other systems. The reliability and efficiency of these engines are paramount. Any engine malfunction can have severe consequences, emphasizing why diligent maintenance and regular inspections are so critical to ensuring the Learjet can operate safely and reliably on every mission. Now let's cover some basic, external maintenance checks for the turbojet engine. Tasks that are part of routine pre-flight inspections. First, always perform a foreign object damage or FOD inspection. Carefully look into the engine intake for any debris like loose nuts, tools, birds' nests, or even small stones that could be ingested and cause catastrophic damage to the fan or compressor blades. Similarly, inspect the exhaust nozzle for any blockages or foreign material. Next, conduct a thorough external visual inspection. Check the engine cowlings for any dents, cracks, missing rivets, or signs of overheating. Look for any visible fluid leaks, traces of oil, fuel, or hydraulic fluid dripping or staining the engine nacelle or the ground beneath. Any leaks, no matter how small, must be investigated. Also, pay attention to the general condition of external hoses, wires, and probes connected to the engine. Ensure they are secure, free from chafing, and undamaged. Remember, always exercise extreme caution around engines. They can be hot and contain dangerous moving parts even when not operating. Any signs of damage, leaks, or unusual conditions must be immediately reported to a certified aircraft mechanic for proper diagnosis and repair. These daily checks are crucial for identifying potential issues before they become serious problems. That concludes our exploration of the Learjet's incredible turbojet engine. Its complex design and immense power underscore the importance of vigilant inspections to ensure its continued safe and reliable operation. Don't forget to scan the QR code for more detailed information. See you next time!